feel like I'm gonna try something really fucking stupid. I'm gonna need this shit. Okay. Okay. Oh, fuck. I'm trying to grab the other fucking thing. This thing. Okay. Fuck me. I guess I'm doing it. Gotta be quick before I get too exhausted. Fuck, we did it. Fuck me. We fucking did it. You know, I'm actually gonna have to fucking exit through the emergency because climbing down this shit is super fucking dangerous. Okay, fuck it. Not going in through there. We need to get to the roof. Not gonna lie, it smells horrible. It smells like a really cheap hotel. I hear people. No way. God, need a second. But I'm like out of breath. Dude, I'm on top of the roof. It's tricky because there's people on the windows. These houses, there are rooms. People are in them. It's fucking scary. I need a second to chill down for a second because I'm struggling to breathe. Fuck. There's a room there. I'm literally just sitting down and I'm hearing like noises. I don't know if it's from the room or the roof. But it's like that climb really took my breath out. By hearing noises, you can't really tell from where they're coming from. So yeah, I'll give it a second. So this is a room right now. So that's the area where you hear noises, but I figured maybe they're working on stuff. But there's that spot right there that is super weird looking. It's like, it looks like a room from the outside. I hope I don't see anyone in there because I'm literally by myself on top of here. Okay. There's people. guess is that these are the tubes where they actually found someone. So that's really fucking spooky. So these are the official ones. That's insane. And there were like killers that live here. These rooms are all for rent. The only part that I'm worried about is going down, because we're probably gonna have to leave from inside of the place because the climb down is too risky. It's dangerous, so I'd rather risk it and leave from the inside. But I don't know specifically which one was the one that they found it, so let's see. Let's get out and see. I didn't want to climb all the way up. There's no point. Locked. So there's 3 towers outside this middle part and that one. But I don't know where to climb down. I'll probably go from the inside. Alright. So we made it to the roof. Guess we're going down now. So these are different rooms. Hello, bro. I was visiting a friend. Huh? I'm sitting a friend, but I'm leaving. What's the exit? Alright. Next one? Yeah. Yes, oh my god, yeah. I don't know. The key opened one of the exits.
Yeah, the exit right there. Alright. You back right there. Yeah, but that he's gonna tell the same thing, but the tenant doesn't have it. So tell him
what?
He said he's gonna say the same thing. So just tell him that. Yeah. All right, so go ahead.
Thank you. I don't know. And then I come in with a fucking ID. Okay. We did it. That's insane. So that's the building that was all the way up there. But we're down here now, about to head home. I'm super sweaty right now. I've always wanted to get on the roof, so today was the day. But yeah, it's pretty sketchy over here, I'm not gonna lie. So you see a lot of homeless people. Even that building is full of like drug addicts and people like that. So it's like you have people like that living there. This is all the downtown area. I think this is Skid Row. That's why that building is so sketchy. You have that building, you make a right turn, and you have Skid Row. I would not leave a fucking car there. That's all I can say. That place is fucking bad. Bad. Real bad.